What's up, my curly nieces? It's your girl Sheree Nicole, and I am back with another video. Yes, honey, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So before we jump into today's video, you're probably wondering, why is your girl standing here in a towel? Okay, well, your girl just got out the shower and we wet the hair, honey. Okay, so y'all can see what it's looking like wet, just in case y'all wanted to pick this wig up. Okay, but let's go ahead and get started with what we're actually here for. So if any of you did pick up that EBIN spray or EBIN spray that we talked about in the previous video, then you're gonna need to know how to remove this, honey, okay? So today I wanna talk to you about the EBIN Lace Glue Remover, okay? So your girl picked this up and I'm super excited to try this. And I mean, yeah, we tried it on removing the glue on our wigs and it did a really good job. So now I kind of want to try it while it's on, because this is what it's actually for, to remove the lace glue off of your wig while it's on your head, okay? And baby, the hair is still holding up, okay? She is still giving what needs to be gave. So from the last video when I put this on, which was like 3 days ago, she is still holding up and I'm absolutely here for it. So it says it will gently remove your wig. Lace Bond Remover Spray is the ultimate remover spray to easily and gently remove your wig. Oh God, you know what? I don't even know why I'm reading this. So let's go ahead and get started with removing this wig, honey, because baby, it's been a little bit, we do have a little bit of lifting, but it's not that bad. I mean, this side is still holding on. This is the side we use the black can spray on. And this is the side we use the gold spray on, which is still holding on, honey. So just in case, we'll do a little recap, which are these. These are the ones I'm talking about, okay? But let's go ahead and get this remover on, because I want to get this off and reapply this, honey, because she is gorgeous. Absolutely. So yeah, we're gonna do this in real time because I wanna see how long it's gonna take to remove this wig, and I absolutely already feel it. It's like so soothing. Oh my gosh, I feel it already. Look at, oh my God. Yo, let me find out I don't have to put any more. Y'all, and of course, if you did get some glue, you know, on your forehead, you just go ahead and spray a little bit there. Or rub a little bit in there. Look, oh my gosh. Y'all, it's done. It's a wrap. It's off, okay? So yes, honey, it did the trick and it smells delicious. It smells like this nice little lemony smell. It smells really good. So it definitely did what it needed to do. And yeah, y'all, so now y'all seen it firsthand. It absolutely works. And if you do have any lace glue in your hair, just go ahead and spray some of that in there and then rub that in, and this should come right out. Look at that. It's coming right out, y'all. I know that looks gross, but that's because I had gel in my hair as well. I had a lot of stuff holding this hair back, okay, baby? So yes, honey, yes. You just take your nail and scrape it out once you rub it in, and you should be good to go. Wow, this is gonna be a really short video. I was not expecting it to come off that quick. So there you have it. This remover is the truth, baby. So yes, please make sure you pick this up if you need to remove that glue from your wig. So like you see here, it says clean scent. Like I said, it smells like citrus, lemony. Quick dissolve, delicate on skin, lace wig adhesive remover. So I can't wait to test this on some other lace glues that I have available, and we'll be rocking with it. We're gonna test these out on a couple of different glues and see what it do, okay, baby boo? Bye. I love you.